yung oras natin dito sa Kababayan Today para talagang pag-usapan itong topic na to dahil napakalaki po, napakamaraming kailangan pag-usapan. But let's talk about healing. Elizabeth, how were you able to cope and heal through it all?
I would say that it's not easy. It's not an overnight healing process. So I went through a series, like Adrian said, that I went through a series of medications, therapy, long years. So really my whole battle was 6 years of trying to get better. And then the following 4 years is sort of like getting to know myself again. But after a lot of medications, a lot of therapy, I've also realized that I needed to seek other options, alternative. So aromatherapy is one of them. I went through massages because you physically get sick, like you have all these pains and aches. So the massage was actually very therapeutic in so many ways. So when I started reading books to get better. I started reading books to get to know myself more.
So it's a process.
It's a long process.
The
yes.
question is, maaari bang maulit ito?
Yes, absolutely. If tragic events can happen, you can go through. But here's the thing: I fought for it for about 10 years of my life. I just went another very tragic event recently, and I went through kind of like depression, and I had a miscarriage. So I had depression for a few weeks, and in my mind, oh no, am I going to be depressed again? Is this it again? So I was very conscious of what I was going through. But little by little, I knew that, okay, naturally I felt depressed.
Kasi aware
because,
ka na.
Yes,
Aware.
I had lost. The awareness is key because I spent so long, so many years of getting to know myself that I know this is normal and I know this is not normal.
Okay. Tita Norma, how did you get better and how are you feeling now?
Oh, I am. Life is delicious. It is.
It's great to be able to say that, especially when you're at a place where you feel like it's the end of the world. That's the feeling,
right.
Isn't it? Parang hindi ka makahinga.
Hindi ka makahinga, pero ako talaga sasabihin ko, Norma, buhay ka pa. Now what? Ano? Will you just allow to be depressed? Kasi babalik at babalik yan. It's like going through the maze. Oh, I've been here before. I know what to do. But what I did was very radical. I committed financial suicide.
Okay. All right, you know what? We don't have time to complete this segment, but we will be back. We want to talk more about this, okay? Thank you to our panel for being here. So much to talk about.
Thank
we will
you.
invite them once again here on Kababayan Today. Salamat po.